Hello, my name is Dave, and I'm the parts manager at Owasco Volkswagen. Today, we're going to show you how to install some of your accessories. My parts advisor, Ken, here today is going to show us how to install roof racks on a 24 GTI. So, with your pre-assembled roof racks, you start with placing them over the vehicle. Have both doors open and make sure that it's clean of debris because it is a painted surface. Line them up to where they should be in about the middle of the door. The instructions do come with where you should line them up to. Next step after the position is we tighten them down with the tool that comes with the roof rail kit. Tighten them down nice and snug so that they don't move anywhere. So after we have it secure, next we're going to install any accessories we have to go with the roof racks. Right here, Ken's installing the wakeboard holder. You can also install ski holders, cargo boxes, and kayak holders the same method. Next up's the final step, install the cover. There is a key for the cover, and make sure you turn it and lock it in place. The covers are all marked which corner of the vehicle they go on. Now with everything complete and your accessory on board, you can lock the accessory as well in plot. Thanks. I hope this instructional video was helpful, and you can reach us at any time with any questions or if you need help installing.